All right, welcome back out to the range. This is Mike with the Tactical Llama. Today, we're gonna bring you some body armor tests from Predator Armor. This is budget armor. They rate this thing up to 308. All right, here we go. The first rounds we're gonna shoot at the armor is out of the Glock 43x MOS. This is regular, just 115 grain ball ammo. So here we go. There we go. Let's see how it did. So here we go, 115 grain ball ammo. Now you can see where the round exploded on it. No real indentation, no deformation in the back. Did what it was supposed to do.